Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock all of the different cookie jar scenes inside of my Summertime Saga game, in the event that you don't want to have to play through the entire game in order to get access to them. Now this particular video is not going to show anything that is adult. This is exclusively just a guide on how to activate the cheat menu in the game to unlock everything so you can play around with pretty much all of the settings at your leisure. So to do this, all you have to do is pop into a new game, name yourself literally whatever, and then hit start. And then you can go ahead and start with the cheats enabled. I think you have to do that in order to get it to work, but you might be able to do that with the normal mode. It really doesn't matter. All you have to do is just skip through all of this starter stuff until you get to the point where your character is fully dressed and you have your UI, and then you can start the day. So go ahead and click on your phone and then click on the Wi-Fi symbol at the top of the phone interface. And this is going to warn you that you're trying to get into the debugger menu. And to get into it, all you have to do is type in "I understand" and then hit OK. And then inside of here, you can enable and disable and change the names of some of the characters. But what you want is to unlock the cookie jar scenes here at the top. And then boom, once you go ahead and save this, we'll just save this as day one and go back to the main menu. In fact, I don't even know if you need to save this. You will have unlocked all of the different scenes that are available with every one of the different characters. So enjoy, have fun with all of the Summertime Saga stories. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time for more tutorial action. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.